Jimmy Thang from Maximum PC here at E3 2014. I'm here with CyberPower. We're here with Product Marketing Manager Joey.
Hi Jimmy, thank you for having us.
Cool. And Joey, this looks a lot like something we've seen previously at, namely at CES. It looks a lot like a Steam machine, but it isn't quite the same, is it?
No, this is basically our Steam machine that we unveiled at CES 2014 earlier this year. What we did was we modified it with our team, with our design team. So this is actually what we call internally the version 1.3 of our Steam machine. However, the unique thing about this machine is that it's going to be a Windows 8.1 based gaming console.
Cool. So it's sort of similar to what Anywhere is doing. It's going to be Windows based, but with Steam Big Picture Mode integration. Is that right?
Absolutely, yes. And that's because we're getting a lot of feedback since we debuted our Steam machine at CES from our partners, from customers saying, how come we can't get something like this on a Windows-based platform? So this is our solution for those wanting something like that.
Right. We reported that the Steam machines were essentially delayed until 2015. And a lot of our readers were, they're just basically, please ship this thing with the Windows, with the Windows OS on it.
Yes, absolutely. So we heard all the feedback, and I mean, we're still fully committed to Steam 100%. We love what they're doing with the Steam machine, Steam OS, and Steam controller ecosystem, and we're going to be 100% behind them when they give us a final announcement on the launch date.
Cool. And the line of these PCs, you're calling them Syber, right?
Yes, so right now we won't get too much into the Syber, but we will have the Windows-based version of the Steam machine, or Windows-based gaming console, launch at later in Q3.
Cool, so it's coming up really soon.
Yes, absolutely. Stay tuned for the announcement for that.
Cool. And when you when you boot up the PC, is it going to load to the desktop, or are you guys going to have a special UI?
Right now we're working with our engineer and design team in-house to create a UI, but for right now we're just loading straight into Steam Big Picture Mode, and users will be able to use an Xbox controller and other controller devices to control and navigate Steam Big Picture Mode.
Gotcha. So basically you can use Xbox One, Xbox 360, or even like Logitech, whatever.
Absolutely.
And for some reason, lots of readers want to know if these PCs will support mouse and keyboard.
Yes, and that's the great thing about Windows, and great thing about PC gaming consoles, right? Is that a lot of peripherals are supported. So definitely, our machine will support keyboard, mice, and a lot of different USB peripherals. And for the ports and connectivity, we have 3 USB ports in the front, and we also have a lot more in the back as well. Gotcha.
Can you sort of talk us through the different specs that you guys are offering?
Yes, absolutely. So at launch, we're planning a $599 and $699 launch spec. For the $599, it's going to be an AMD quad-core based system with a R9 270 graphics. And then on the Intel side, for $699, we have an Intel Core i3 processor along with an NVIDIA GTX 750 Ti.
Gotcha. I noticed those the SKU price is a little bit higher than what you guys initially pitched the Steam machine as, and is that because it's about $100 more, if I remember correctly? And is that because of the Windows price, the added Windows cost?
A little bit of it, yes, is of course due to the Windows OS, but also because of other accessories that we're planning to bundle with this machine. Aside from that's different than the Steam machine. That's why the $100 price delta.
Do you guys know what you're shipping it with? Is it just the Xbox controller?
Right now, we're still planning on seeing what accessories work best. Of course, controller is going to be something that we're looking into.
Cool, awesome. And before we did this, you sort of talked about the possibility of partnering up or like shipping a remote control with the device?
Yeah, so that's why we're looking at all the different accessories that we want to ship the system with to give the users the best experience possible right out of the box. So whether it be a controller, be a remote control, kind of IR remote control, or just accessories or input accessories, we're definitely looking into a wide range of them.
Cool, and for a long time, CyberPower has been known to offer PCs that you can sort of swap parts in and out of. Would you say this thing is the same thing as well?
Absolutely, and that's the main feature of our machine, is that it's fully upgradable with off-the-shelf computer hardware parts. So This thing will be 4K ready if you want to swap out, your video card to a more powerful card to play games at 4K resolution. Absolutely, this machine will support it.
Do you guys encourage people to upgrade components, or do they have to go through you? Does it void the warranty if they open it up or anything like that?
Yeah, so traditionally console manufacturers tend to void warranties if users just open the case, whereas we actually encourage and allow users to do that. So we will offer a warranty for our system, and users won't have their warranty voided if they decide to open it up and upgrade any parts inside.
Cool, and I believe this chassis will actually be able to fit larger video cards, like the Titan Z.
Titan Z, not right now. It will support full-length video cards such as the Titan Black and R9 290X from AMD.
Cool, awesome. And so when can we, I guess, yeah, so final price and release date?
Price will be $599 for the AMD version and $699 for the Intel version. And we're looking at a late Q3 launch for this product. And also, I want to mention that this version you're seeing here in white will also have a black version as well.
Okay, cool. And then also, we should mention that it also can change colors as well, right?
Yeah, so the LED strip here will have several different color options. You have red, blue, green, purple, and then there's also, of course, an option to turn it off as well.
Cool. Awesome. Thanks, Joey. It looks great.
Thanks, Jimmy.